Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set constraints here in Penpot. Okay, so first up, you need to select an element and use the design panel, in the right panel, of course, to design how it repositions or resizes. So first up, let's go ahead and make a board. Maybe this one. And then what we're going to do is just add in some image. For example, this one right here. I'm going to click on open. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, move your image inside the board. Okay, like so. Now, to apply a constraint, just click on the image or an object. Okay, now here we have the constraints section. Okay, so what we're going to do is just click on these drop downs right here. Right, so select left, top, right, or bottom. Okay, to fix the element's distance from that edge when the parent resizes. Okay, if this board resizes. Now centering right here, center, you can go ahead and select this one for both horizontal and vertical axis. Okay, to keep the element proportionally centered within its parent. Now we have scaling here as well. So when you click on it, let's say I'm going to go ahead and select scale. This one right here, scale. Okay, so whenever I go ahead and click on my board and stretch it, the image should follow. Okay. And lastly, here we have fixed positions. Like this is basically best for headers and footers. When someone scrolls down, this one right here will stay on its ground. Okay, if you know what I mean. So in the constraints section right here in the right panel as well, enable this toggle. Okay, fixed when scrolling. That is it. If you want to, you can go ahead and play around with these options. Okay, for example, we have here left and right, center. Okay, if you want to move your board or resize it, as you can see, just play around with it. Okay, so that is it. That is how you set constraints here in Penpot. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.